Hi, hardworking 11th grades. It's time for English lesson again. Come close and don't forget take your notebooks and textbooks as well. Today we have the lesson 1B self-assessment, the first part. I hope you all have essays which I gave you as a home task last time. Keep your mind that you can contact your teacher if you face difficulties or any misunderstanding if you have. Now, at the beginning of our lesson, I want to make a short revision about essay structure. By the way, you can make self-assessment. What do you think? How many parts should formal essays consist of? Sure, 3 parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. Introduction is the first part of your essay, about 10%. Must sound interesting to capture readers' attention. Body is the longest part, about 80% of your essay, commonly highlights your ideas. Sufficient examples, evidence, and data must be relevant to the particular topic of your essay. The last one is conclusion. About 10% of your essay should guarantee that the reader is left something interesting to think. Especially main point of your essay. Here I want to share some useful expressions which can use during your writing. How you can introduce your points. Firstly, to start with 2 words to consider. Secondly, thirdly, furthermore, in addition, finally, and last but not least. The phrases can be helpful for you. About presenting ideas. According to experts, research has found that, for instance, for examples, expressing the result and reasons as a result of, therefore, one reason behind this. Contrasts, however, even so. Concluding, to sum up, or in conclusion. I hope you can successfully use these phrases during your writing. Today we have to talk about present perfect tense and the differences from past simple. You successfully learned past simple, I hope. Let's make short experience. I have played and it is dirty. Let me clean it. I'm cleaning and now it is clean. In this situation, you can say, I have cleaned it because I have clean plate. And you can talk about me, she has cleaned. So pay attention, we can use 2 auxiliary verbs in this tense, have and has for third person singular. So we use present perfect, the action in the past, what is the result now? If I say I have cleaned my plate, it means I have clean plate now. But if I use it again, it is not clean now, but I cleaned it. It was clean. In this situation, I cannot use present perfect tense. I use past simple. I cleaned my plate 2 minutes ago. But there is no connection with present. It is completed action. So it doesn't tell you that your plate is clean. You cleaned it, but use it again, it is dirty. And we use the same structure with all pronouns. He cleaned it, she cleaned it, it cleaned it, we cleaned it, you cleaned it, and they cleaned it. Here are some more examples. We have done our activity. It means you have ready activity, teacher can check it. We did our activity. It means you did it yesterday or 2 days ago. There is no connection with present. Pay attention, one more differences. We use verb 3 in present perfect tense and verb 2 in past simple. It is, this is a structure for interrogative sentence for present perfect tense. So you can use the same structure, the question sentence structure in English. Use auxiliary verb before subject. For example, you have cleaned it. Have you cleaned it? You have read this book. Have you read this book? They have gone to Kazakhstan. Have they gone to Kazakhstan? For third person singular, has. Where has she gone? Has Bobber closed the door? Has your friend missed the bus? For negative sentence, how we can make negative sentence? This is also same structure. We can use not with auxiliary verb. You have not cleaned. You haven't read this book. They haven't gone to Kazakhstan. They haven't done their homework. She hasn't gone. Babur hasn't closed the door. Your friend hasn't missed the bus. So dears, let's practice what you learned. Try to answer questions about yourself. The first one, how many countries have you traveled? How many? Thank you for your answer. The possible answers can be, I have traveled 2 countries, England and France, for example. The second question, what interesting food have you eaten? Interesting food, it means unusual food. So possible answers, I haven't eaten interesting food, or I have eaten Chinese food once. The third question, which famous person have you seen? Famous people. Thank you for your answer. The possible answer can be, I have seen, for example, Munisa Rizayeva. And the third one, what languages have you studied? What kind of foreign language it means? So, answer can be, I have learned English or Russian. And fifth one, have you ever won in the Olympiad? The answer, I have won twice, or I haven't won in the Olympiad. And this 6, have you ever gone to the university? The possible answer, yes I have, or no I haven't. The 7, have you ever been to foreign countries? Yes I have, or no I haven't, the short answer. The last one, have you ever broken your leg? I hope your answer, no I haven't. Or I have broken my leg once. The next, today we have to learn how we can answer the question, how long have you? Pay attention, there are 3 numbers between past and now. They mean years. There are 3 years between now and past. We can say for 3 years. It means during 3 years. Here is an example. She has lived in Tashkent for 3 years. It means she is living in Tashkent for 3 years. The rule, we use for with a period of time. Example, for 2 days, during 2 days. For a week, during a week. For 3 years, and for a long time, it means during a long time. I have worked here for 6 months. It means I am working during 6 months. Another way answering the same situation. Pay attention, there are 2 years, 2017 and 2020. How we can say it? Since 2017, it means from 2017. Here is an example. She has lived in Tashkent since 2017. It means she is living here from 2017 till now. The rule, we use since the starting of the period time. Example, since Monday, since 8 o'clock, it means from 8 o'clock, since July, from July, since Navruz, from Navruz till now. I have worked here since July. Pay attention to the first one, how we can fill the gap. Uzbekistan has been an independent country 1991. Pay attention, this is the beginning of the action. Sure, since 1991, from 1991 till now. And the second one, nobody lives in these houses, they have been empty many years. During many years, for many years. And the third one, Aziza has been ill long time, during long time. What can I fill here? For a long time. She has been in hospital, November. Pay attention, it is the beginning of the time. We can use since November. And the last one, the bus is late. We have waited 20 minutes. During 20 minutes. For 20 minutes. So dears, it is time for home task. So your first home task is activity 2 on page 142. You should make negative and interrogative present perfect sentence. And the second, activity 4 on page 143. You should scan the text self-esteem quiz and find the following words in the box. Then try to guess their translation and pay attention to the word self-esteem and try to get the meaning of this one. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.